where do you go to get membership?
Hoje tá animal aqui. Ele tem de air cool. Que isso, zerado esse M3. Que coisa maravilhosa. Olha, banco de tecido quadriculado. And you see the interior of this one?
I have
with
not
the
gone to this
cloth
one yet.
seats.
Oh yeah, it's got like the flat turret like in monotone.
So cool.
Volkswagen, even now, you can get flat seats in Volkswagen now.
Yeah.
Golf. That's not Porsche. So, and the king of the hill.
Rádio telefone. O carro tem muito detalhe bacana. Câmbio Jimberg, alavanca Jimberg. Original red top. Detalhes muito legais. Aqui uma caixa de som.
I just think it's really cool.
Texas Garages or something?
Yeah, they built that out right there on I-10, right?
Yeah. It's a little pricey. Yeah.
No, I like it. I like that storage. It's
Excuse me, guys.
Yeah.
58 do Fred aqui. Muito legal. Estilo outlaw.
So it's like I don't even have to leave my neighborhood. I'm just from R&D side, I park and then I turn my park. So it's like, I mean, it's close to
Datsun 240. Zerado. Meu Deus.
You bring all the ideas together and you refine it to like what you like. And that's my favorite. My favorite is like custom made. A lot of people don't like it. That's hilarious. Yeah.
63. O carrinho tá muito bonito. O famoso SP2. Esse aqui eu acho que é uma 78 Turbo Carreira. That's the best color for this car.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Yeah.
I hope it doesn't rain. My car doesn't like water.
Which one's yours? Oh, the SB2?
Yeah.
Ah, I love it. Oh yeah,
Thank
he was
you.
like, "What is that?" I was like, "That's like a Brazil like
I have never seen that
only
before.
car."
Yeah,
Right?
it's rare.
Yeah.
Hey, what are you doing here?
But this one is even more rare than an SP2.
You took a detour.
SP2,
That's
they
the only one of
produce.
those I've ever seen in the flesh.
Yeah, they make 10,000 of those. 1,000 is still alive.
Greg Thompson. Nice to meet you. Any relation to Steve?
Hey Ryan.
Does he owe you money?
1,000 is not very much.
It's not. It's not. It's hard to find parts. That's the problem.
Yeah.
Woo.
Fucking weather.
So you're on your way to Nico. I might skip it.
Oh, that guy's filming a YouTube video. Right there. He got the yellow 7. Oh, let's go.
Thunderbird.
Yeah, I think you're a couple. Because I was technically class of 91.
O cara gosta de um charuto. Que... Não, uma mangusta.
Oh, well, you kept that. But the problem too was
Eu nunca vi uma mangusta antes. Que legal. Como abre traseira. Muito bacana. Nossa, olha que legal. Escapamento colorado.
Yeah, it's a cruiser.
Mercury.
Oh, thank you. Oh, I do. It's a lot of fun.
Yours?
Yeah. Like it? 51.
Very much, yeah. It's really pretty. Looks like brand new.
A lot of time.
Yeah. Like the side pipes.
Well, the Lakes pipes, they were originally functional, but I put a different engine in it, and when it had the original flathead, they were actually connected to the manifold.
Okay. So that's why they're closed?
Yeah, it takes 30 minutes to get them all
Okay.
hooked up. So I just don't do that anymore. I put a different engine in it, and they're for show now.
Uh-huh.
But,
It's beautiful.
so I enjoy it.
It's a large car, right?
It's a big car. It's a heavy car.
Yeah. Is it easy to fit in a regular garage nowadays?
Oh yeah. It's not that. Honestly, it's not that much bigger. It's not a tiny car. That's for sure.
Yeah. I have Volkswagens in my garage, so it's pretty easy. I can park.
Oh yeah, you can park them.
Yeah. Can park 2 cars in place of 1. You know.
Within seconds, you're at 80.
Wow.
And it's just
But Toyotas today.
yeah.
Oh yeah. Your little Toyota Corolla, 80 miles an hour, and it seems like you're doing 40, 45. It's amazing today's modern cars. Yeah. With the better suspensions.
But it's not as fun as driving this, right?
No, these ride as well as a brand new car because of the suspension. As well, independent suspension.
Yeah.
Longer than you've been alive.
He even has a coffee heater on his.
Look at that!
Oh, this is so cool.
Let's put him in here. Where'd you get the coffee heater there?
Now, in my opinion, this is the
Turn the car on.
E-Type is the prettiest car ever made.
This car, yes.
It's the
E-Type Jaguar, 1995. The Museum of Modern Art said it was the most beautiful car in the world.
It is.
They have one on permanent display, and the engine is mounted outside of the car because one of the stipulations was that it had to look good. The engines are these. Once the shafts.
It's a nice car. Oh, that was close.
It was close. Brakes on it.
Kind of dance around a little bit. I'll get the
Brian Donovan Racing. I got him in England. I do like that colored green.
It's beautiful.
That's cool.
So cool.
Oh, wow. Anyway, so, yeah. I'm not exactly
Beautiful.
Road trip back in November, and I thought it was just going to be like those like classic hard drives.
I know he responded.
I think we're at 10%. This is just
Super B for 46 pack. Tô louco, hein? Muito louco. Que maneiro. Carreirinha 4S. Bacana esse formato aí. A famosa. Legal esse carro. É bem legal.